Good afternoon, everyone. Respected sir and ma'am, we are going to discuss about the project. Topic name is solid waste management. Project name is use of modern technique in solid waste management. Abstract. In 21st century, rapid growth of a population is the urbanization, industrialization, modernization, and digitalization result in the increase in waste such as domestic industrial, commercial, mining, radioactive, agriculture, hospital, electronic waste, etc. Many these waste are becoming more biggest problem in the world. Waste management is the process of collecting, transporting, segregating, discarding, destroying, processing, recycling, controlling, monitoring, and regulating the garbage, sewage, and other waste products. Main is the objective of the waste management is to save in the environment from determinal effect, free the pollution, and also to protect the people's health in the hazardous effect. Introduction. Human depends on the environment for many things to satisfy our needs. Food, dress, materials, gadgets, building, vehicles, etc. are getting from our environment and used in our daily or the worthless material to live sophisticated life. We develop unwanted and unused material are considered as waste. It can be in any form, either is solid, liquid, gaseous, and it may range from the small and large size. Increase the population, growth in the increase, waste product. Also, waste are the accumulated in the large size in the environment is big risk for use. It pollute our soil, water, and air. Rapid population growth in all over the world lead to the more deposit of the waste in all places. Due to this, unwanted material are increased in the lead to the formation or different types of population and spread this disease. This makes in the people surface from the various types of diseases of the remain unhealthy because of all these now environment because unity of living. So it is the which vital to adopt proper waste management system to control different types of pollution. Definition of waste and the waste management. According to the Cambridge English Dictionary, waste is an unnecessary or wrong use of money, substance, time, in the energy, ability, etc. According to the Eco Life of Dictionary, waste management is defined as the concept of waste management involve the collection, removal, processing, and disposal of material. Consider waste material can be solid, is a gaseous, liquid, or even hazardous and are generally generated through human activity. Types of waste. Domestic waste has household waste, food waste, garbage, rubbish, polythene, plastic, old toy, old clothes, old matters, etc. Community waste is the educational installation waste, government office, market, public, cleaning, bulky waste, hospital, construction work, etc. Chemical waste, bulky waste from shop, office, hotel, non-government market, store, tires, electronic, plastic bag, bottles, bucket, packaging material, paper, fiber, thermocol, distilled electric waste, etc. Industrial waste, paper, pulp waste, oil, refining, turner, distiller, thermal power plant, chemical industrial metal, smelter, coil, ash, acid, chemical, plastic, nuclear waste, unused metal sheet, rubber, leather, toxic influence, fiber, etc. Recycling, collecting the waste from the different place and segregating then according to the nature of product and use of the recycle process. Robots are used in the America for collecting the waste of the Baltimore River. In Malaysia, in Hong Kong, recycling process in pesticide from the controlling the construction waste. The recycle, the municipal and construction soil waste use is for manufacturing highly environmentally friendly polymer composting origin waste in the separate from the waste and allowed to the decompose by the microbe for a long period of time in a pit. This is the become the nutrient rich compost and used as a manure for a plant. Soil faculty is enriched by this manure composting through biological technique. Progress of the fertility of the soil is the vermicomposting method reduce the environment impact in the enhance and the nutrient content of the soil. Conclusion to live healthier life proper waste management techniques is the essential through the reduce the reuse and recycle we can convert the nature of the resource and serve the energy composting in the enriches natural to the soil decrease the landfill waste keep more microorganism to be present in the soil and makes pollution free environment in this the landfill large latest technologies are used in the help in energy production such as the methane